In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin a website shortcut to the taskbar in Windows 11 and Windows 10 using Google Chrome. This is a super simple trick that lets you open your favorite websites faster right from your taskbar without having to search for them every time. It's perfect for sites you use daily like email, productivity tools, school portals, or your favorite web apps. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. All right, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome and go to the website you want to pin. This can be any site you visit often. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This opens the main browser menu with several options. Now hover over Save and Share. In some versions of Chrome, you may see this option after hovering over Cast or in a related submenu, so don't worry if it looks slightly different depending on your browser version. When the slide-out menu appears, click Create Shortcut. This tells Chrome to make a desktop shortcut for the current website. A small window will pop up asking you to name the shortcut. You can keep the default name or type a custom name if you want something shorter and easier to recognize. For example, you might name it after the website itself or use a name that matches how you use it every day. Once you're happy with the name, click Create. After you click Create, Chrome will instantly place a new shortcut icon on your desktop. Now minimize your browser windows so you can see your Windows desktop clearly. Find the new website shortcut icon you just created. Next, right-click the shortcut icon. In the context menu that appears, choose Pin to Taskbar. As soon as you do that, Windows will add the website shortcut to your taskbar for quick access. From now on, you can launch that website with a single click, anytime you want. If you want to confirm it worked, take a look at your taskbar and you should see the new pinned shortcut there. You can now open the website just like any other pinned app. This is a great way to keep your most important websites always one click away. And that's it! You've now learned how to create a website shortcut in Chrome and pin it to the taskbar in Windows 11 or Windows 10. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.